Today's global workforce is marked by rising incivility, widely skill gaps, rapid technological shifts, and increasingly diverse and dispersed workforce. HR professionals are facing complex challenges like never before.
That's exactly what we, the Rajagirians, believe in, staying ahead of the curve. Rajagiri College of Social Sciences BBA Human Resource Management program is aligned with the SHRM's HR curriculum guidelines. If you are an aspiring HR professional, earning the SHRM-CP certification is a game changer. Remember, it's not just a certification, it's a gateway leading to the evolving landscape of human resource management.
SHRM-CP focuses on both technical expertise and behavioral competencies essential for HR professionals today. You will learn how to analyze critical issues such as workplace ethics, cultural inclusion, and managing hybrid work teams, all through strategic HR lens. With Rajagiri's tailored approach to SHRM-CP, you will be equipped with knowledge, skills, and abilities to overcome adversities, to turn discord into dialogue, and establish meaningful relationship with people.
Whether you aspire to work in India, Middle East, US, Europe, or Asia Pacific, the SHRM-CP certification shows that you have the expertise to tackle global HR challenges. It is recognized in over 180 countries, and organizations everywhere trust it as the gold standard in HR.
Rajagiri's SHRM-CP course provides you the membership to the world's largest HR professional network, SHRM, connecting you with over 300,000 members across the globe. And being an SHRM member means we gain access to cutting-edge resources, research, and network of over 100,000 certified professionals worldwide.
Join us at Rajagiri and earn your SHRM-CP certification and become a globally recognized HR leader and lead with strategy, innovation, and empathy.